just gonna throw them.
No. Thank you for joining us for this rumor mill. My name is Tenaj Nicole.
And I'm Astrid.
And today, guys, we are going to tell you the purchases that we regret.
Absolutely hate.
Yeah, you can put it that way too. Stuff that we don't like. Now, this isn't a knock on all the brands that we have, because there's some pieces that I rave about that are from the same company. It's just these particular products.
We're duds.
They weren't that great.
No.
So I think we should start with our most recent purchase. And one that you guys will see this video relatively soon if it's not up already.
I can't even look at it.
The Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm gonna show it to you all.
I'm just not even gonna talk during this one. I'm just gonna let you do all the talking.
Okay.
I already want to get back into the mood.
So this palette, as you can see, is completely nude, and it's relatively new as well. Like, there's no color, and you can see we kind of did color. So that was the first thing, but I said, no. We need to try this. We need to actually figure out if this is a good neutral palette for a staple, because I didn't love the Urban Decay nudes.
Palette?
Yeah, the naked palettes. So, you know.
How dare you?
I know, that's YouTube suicide. But I was thinking, okay, and I love that other Tarte palette, and I was like, this could be.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah, the Young, Wild, and Cruisy. I love that palette. So
I just likes it because it smells like cookies.
Well, this smells like cookies too.
That's not
so. But yeah, so we tried this, and it was I think the biggest problem that I had with it was this retails for $40, and it's 12 shades, and they mostly just didn't do what they're supposed to. The pigment was there, they blended well. The product, like the formula wasn't bad. It was the payoff. Like, this color didn't even show up on me. This was supposed to be a shimmer color here that didn't. I don't know. There's just a lot in here that didn't do what it was supposed to do.
The next thing that we have is a very exciting little palette that we thought was going to do some things and spark something.
Yes.
We got this from our Five Below haul.
Yes.
And we still have it as a little memento of what you should not buy.
Yes.
And this is what you should not buy.
You should not buy.
This is our inspiration to not pick any of this stuff again, and it's called the Brights Exposed palette. You can see how cute it looks right here. It makes you think that you're about to get something delicious and scrumptious and and this is what it looks like. It does come with a mirror.
It does.
I'm gonna give you that.
It does come with a mirror, and it actually had like 3, I think, for like lip glosses and stuff with it, all for $5.
Yeah, we threw them away. It was bad for our health.
They made us itch.
Like, it was bad.
It was really bad.
And these lovely colors, I really had hope for them. I really, really did.
Yeah, because they look pigmented.
They look pigmented. Let me see if I can swatch really quick. Let me see. Oh, all right. We have to really dig in there. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right there it looks fine, right? You would think like, oh, it's got pants. Well, let me tell you, girlfriend, it doesn't. That's chunky. It is very
And it has
chunky.
the nerve to stain.
It's stained.
It has the nerve to stain. It has the nerve to stain and be chalky and just, you guys.
So if you're looking for that look, for that no makeup look, you know, take off your makeup, have makeup ready for the next day. Just put on some mascara.
Yeah.
Maybe if you're going for that like rosacea on the eyes look, a pink eye look. What do you have next?
So since we're hanging around with the eyes, so this is something we got.
Oh Lord.
The Ulta Eye Tinted Primer.
Ah, yes. Tell us about the Ulta Pearl Tinted Eye
So
primer.
we had such high hopes. We were like, oh yeah, look, it has a effervescence thing where it's gonna shine through, so it's gonna make the mattes glow from within. You know, like we had all this theory about it.
It's true. It's true.
It like literally cracked on my eyelid. Like, I don't like it. It formed to whatever pieces of skin that was there and crumbled just a little bit. So anytime you put any type of color on it, it made like an art project on your eye, and not a pretty one.
Alright, so the next thing that I really do not like is, of course, y'all would know the foundation that I used, which is these Infallible foundation that came out.
And a lot of people love that.
I had a really high hopes for this one, people.
A lot of people
I love foundation to death. And I just can't do it. Like, I don't even want to take off the top for you guys because I'm feeling like the perfume scent will be like I just walked through Macy's and somebody sprayed me. So
yeah, it was pretty deep.
Did not like the formula, did not like the way it blended. I really did not like it having that really strong scent. And I'm pretty sure it made my rosacea even worse on my cheeks. Like, I'm pretty sure I angered my skin with it.
Angered your skin.
Which says enough, okay? So maybe somebody out there really likes it, but I just wasn't with it. And I normally love L'Oreal foundations. So like you said, it's not a knock to the brand, but it's a knock to the specific product. It's just not for me.
So the next thing that I got, which is actually another high-end thing, but this was the Big Ego from Tarte. Now this came with my Young, Wild, and Cruelty-Free palette that I actually love.
I remember that in your video.
Yeah, so this was just thick. Like, if you want mascara that does nothing but thicken your lashes, like if you have like extensions, or if you have falsies that are kind of thin, or you want to look like you have on mascara, I mean, that's what this is for. But like, it did nothing but just get on the lash. I expect mascaras to do some work, and this one called in.
So I'm gonna follow you up and copy you. I'm a copycat real quick, and I'm bringing the mascara that I did not like, which I had high hopes for. This is the NYX On The Rise mascara.
I actually not tried that.
It just was not for me. Was not for me. I'm trying to remember. I like a mascara that doesn't clump as soon as I put it on my lash, and this is exactly what that did. Like, I like volume. Because my lashes are straight, they don't have volume. So when I use my eyelash curler, of course it curls them a little bit, but I'm expecting the mascara to give it like extra lift.
Right.
And not clump, because when it gets clumpy, you start looking spidery, and that's just not cute. And as soon as I put this bad boy on, it was like, nope. My eyeshadow was like, why would you mess up the look with that?
Take two. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede. Now, mind you, this was a very pretty color. The color payoff on it was fantastic. It's a matte that's a suede at the same time, and it has a little bit of shimmer behind it. In the photos that I took, it looked perfect. As soon as I started talking, it crumbled all on my teeth. Now, I have a bit of an overbite.
It was so sad.
I have just a little bit of an overbite, and usually there's a little lipstick on the first go round that hits the teeth, but I'm usually fine after that. This, it just kept going. No matter what I did, how much I cleared out the inner,
it just kept doing it.
It just kept doing it. So for pictures, this is bomb. For real life,
not so bomb.
Not so
I probably wouldn't put it in my makeup kit.
Yeah.
I feel you. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is a highlighter that we had really high hopes for.
Oh, we had such
I just heard you sigh. You already saw what it was. Okay.
Yeah, I saw what it was.
This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Peach. And we got this at Walgreens, had really high expectations for it because we have different highlighters, and we just thought this was a cute shade, and we were like, it's gonna be bomb.
Yes.
And we're gonna use this a lot, and we haven't.
No.
So much that the tape is actually still on that.
I think we used it both like 3 times and was like, that's it.
Yeah, it just wasn't it. I think I had such high expectations because I saw reviews on the other colors, and I thought, oh, if that one's dope, then this one's dope too.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be wonderful.
No.
This one, oh my gosh, you see how pretty this is in here? So this is the Julep.
I had really high hopes for this one too.
Yeah, Julep and Ultimate Berry is a lap.
It's a lap.
Matte.
Wait.
Matte is what I was trying to say. Matte lip mousse. And we even swatched this in the store and had high hopes for it. And you see, guys, look at that. It doesn't look like that on your lips. It like disappears. It does something that I don't know. But I figured out to use this as a topper, but I think the retail for this is like $27, like $30 something.
Yeah.
$30 something for a topper? Nah.
The very last thing on my do not purchase list is this Ulta liquid liner. I have buyer's remorse on these because when I swatched them in the store, I remember thinking, oh, this is bomb. It's gonna be it.
We got it.
Oh, yeah. If I got a dupe, you know, I got a dupe. And then I got home and no.
That was not it.
No, it was not it. The reason I really truly can't recommend these is because it messed up. Like messed up my eyes.
I remember because it took you a minute to get them off, and then your eyes were like really red and like
I was pissed.
It was bad.
I remember trying like 3 different makeup removers and I was like, all right. I get staying power, but I don't need to stay forever. Like, I feel like instead of getting permanent makeup done, people should just buy these eyeliners.
Right?
That's how long it lasted.
There is a thin line between it being like long lasting and never going away. So I think the last thing that we are going to come about with.
Goody!
Oh, one more thing. We'll do an honorable mention before the big finale.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
So I bought this because it was on sale for like 50 cents at Rue 21 when I was there getting like randomness, and I was like, yeah, I could try this. It came with like this little eyelash glue and, oh, here it is. The eyelash glue and everything. The little root. No.
Big mistake.
No. The glue that attaches to this is very much still attached to the lash. So if you try to put that on your face, you will see a big strip of glue.
So sexy. I love that look.
Then this right here just turned out to be paste that had no, you know, binding materials left in it. I could have gotten it expired, but
you wasted your 50 cents.
I wasted my 50 cents.
Could have gotten a gumball from a gumball.
So that was an honorable mention. I mean, if you want to invest in something, I think getting lashes, because we bought the cheap lashes just to try stuff out. I think there was another one here. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
this
Color
one here.
Makes.
Color
That's
Makes.
from
I think like the Dollar Tree. I picked it up thinking, oh, I could practice with. No, just spend a little money on it.
She said, oh, I thought I could practice.
No, $2-3 will go much longer than the $1.50. It's a big difference in quality. So just spend about $5 on your lashes.
Do it.
Just do it.
You look fabulous.
Yes. So the big finale here is the Physician Formula Shade Adjuster. So you all know my struggle with finding the right foundation, and we thought that this would be fantastic. You know, if I'm a little shade off, or if Astrid has a great color and I want to see if it's in mine. See, again, I know I dropped this a lot, but I'm a painter, so I thought, of course I can make my own shade. I know what I'm doing. I mix my own colors all the time. I got this.
That's what not being humble gets you.
It is. I agree with you. That was me. Like, it was reality check, boo. No, you're not as great a painter. Well, what happens is this does lighten it, and this does deepen it. It actually does what it says it's going to do.
Okay.
But when it oxidizes, it goes back to the color that you started with. Just find your shade.
Just find your shade. Yeah.
Just find your shade.
Those are all the products that we have currently.
That
more to come.
Yes.
that
we regret buying.
We regret buying, and we don't encourage you to spend your hard-earned money on. So just go ahead and skip those, and look forward to our other video that we have about makeup that we actually do like and love.
That we love. There's stuff that I am. This is it.
Right.
This is it. The ones where we be going, oh, I'm using this all the time.
Right.
Oh, I'm keeping this.
The ones that I don't throw across the room.
Yes.
That's the ones that you want to tune in for. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, just let us know in the comment section if you want to see more of these type of videos.
Or maybe we could do a full face with the stuff we don't like. I think that should be.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to do a full face of the things that we don't like. Right? Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to discuss some things off camera. But anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I sure have until the end. And just make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and join our Remorse family. Hit that notification bell so anytime we have new videos, like the horrendous one that's going to come up, where I have to try this stuff on. That way you'll be alerted and you can see my rosacea coming out and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.
Yeah, and
Anything
also
you'd like to add?
I would like for people to follow us on Instagram. That's at Rumormeal, RUMORMEAL, and there you can talk to us directly, and we will go live and all that cool stuff. You get to
discourage video ideas. I mean, whatever y'all want.
Really, that's what
like
we're
strongly
there to
discourage them. I would not be opposed to strongly discouraging certain video ideas. But yeah, okay. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.